welcome to the garage. Maybe I should say my trashed garage, because as you can see, it's a huge mess. So today's video isn't going to be anything pretty, just me cleaning the garage. I know, loads of fun. Anyway, thanks for coming by, and thanks for watching. Away we go. Would be the garage being cleaned. For you, it's probably about 3 minutes. For me, it's about 4 hours. So, thanks for coming by, guys. I appreciate the watches, and make sure you stay tuned for more. I got a bunch of things coming up. I got to hang the coat rack. I got the grill thing to do. So, yeah, bunch of stuff to do. Have a good one, guys. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.